Welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. We will start with the monsoon activity during past 24 hours. So if we see, the monsoon was vigorous over Punjab on 19th July and monsoon was active over Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Chhattisgarh, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And if we see the rainfall amount wise, yesterday the Sirgaon reported 19 centimeter of rainfall, Mahabaleshwar reported 16 centimeter rainfall, Murshidabad, Singrauli reported 13 centimeter of rainfall, and Mukteswar reported 12 centimeter rainfall. So there were some stations along the west coast and parts of North India and over the adjoining Central India which reported heavy or heavy to very heavy rainfall during past 24 hours. If we see the today's main synoptic feature, so today there is a offshore trough which is running from the South Gujarat coast to Karnataka coast, and we have various cyclonic circulations. One over East Uttar Pradesh, another cyclonic circulation lies over Gangetic West Bengal, and in the northeast India, a cyclonic circulation lies over central and central Assam. And there is also a cyclonic circulation which develop over the northwest Bay of Bengal and neighborhood areas, which extends up to mid-tropospheric level. And the monsoon trough is running from the South Punjab to North Bay of Bengal across Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Gangetic West Bengal. In the right hand side, this is the satellite picture which depicts the cloud convection over the Indian region. So we can see that as of now, there is a moderate to intense convection over many parts of East India, parts of Central India, all along the west coast, some parts of South Peninsular India, and there is a moderate convection over North India, especially over Uttar Pradesh in neighborhood areas and Northeast India. If we see the weather warning wise, so today on 21st of July, there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall over the parts of East India and adjoining Central India, and there will be heavy rainfall over parts of North India, and there will be heavy rainfall along the west coast and adjoining inland areas. We are also expecting the extremely heavy rainfall over Konkan and Goa, adjoining areas of Madhya Maharashtra, Telangana, and coastal Andhra Pradesh on today, that is the 21st July. And the along with this, there will be cloud to ground lightning and severe or moderate thunderstorm activity also will be over parts of north and adjoining central India and over some parts of East India during next 24 hours. And there will be strong wind all along the west coast. Wind speed will be roughly along 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph. So fishermen are advised not to venture over those areas. If you look into the weather forecast and warning for the next 5 days, then as we have seen that a cyclonic circulation has developed over the northwest Bay of Bengal, and today and during next 48 hours, a low pressure area is also very likely to form over northwest Bay of Bengal. So because of this low pressure area and associated cyclonic circulation, there will be enhanced rainfall activity over the East India from today onwards for the next 3 days, and there will be enhanced rainfall activity over the Central India and neighborhood areas from tomorrow onwards for the subsequent 2 to 3 days. And after that, the rainfall activity will decrease over parts of East and adjoining Central India from 24th of July. And however, the fairly widespread rainfall and isolated heavy to very heavy falls along the west coast will be continue for the next 3 to 4 days. After 4 days, the rainfall activity will slightly decrease. However, the light to moderate rain will still continue along the west coast and adjoining inland areas. And if we see the weather activity for the north, west India, and north India, so from the 25th of July, the rainfall will again increase over the western Himalayan region, and slightly when this cloud convection will shift towards the adjoining plains area, So there will be enhanced rainfall activity over the adjoining plains of northwest India from 26th of July onwards. And if you look into the warning wise, there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over East India and Central India and neighborhood areas for the next 3 days. And there also will be extremely heavy rainfall over Konkan and Goa and adjoining Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra, over Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh during next 2 days. And there will be the strong wind 40 to 50 kmph very likely to continue all along the west coast for the next 5 days, and there will be strong wind of a speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph along the east coast from 23rd of July onwards for the subsequent 4 to 5 days. So fishermen are advised not to venture along the west coast for the next 5 days and along the east coast from 23rd of July for the subsequent 3 days. You can use the Mosam app for the location specific forecast. You can download the Damini app for the lightning alert in your area. You can also use the Meghdoot app for the agro advisory services. And you can follow us on our Twitter page, Facebook page, and our YouTube channel for more detailed weather information in your area. Thank you.